K4SWX monitoring.
WX, URQ, it's K4 URQ. There's nothing going on just yet. Just want to let you know I'm still out here. K4 URQ.
Alrighty, yeah, I'm starting to get some rain here with a green sky and some lowerings out ahead of this thing.
Problem, I'll do.
Oh, this one's going to be a nasty one. K4SWX. And I don't think I'm hitting the repeater. Okay, we definitely got some greenage. Green skies over here. Looks like maybe a possible wall cloud over there. Some rotation starting right up there. And in the distance there, I don't know if you can see it.
This is Kilo Delta 4.
Got a rain foot from a downdraft.
The name is Pat. At this time, Fayette County is under a severe thunderstorm warning. Instead of having a list of check-ins for this net, I would like to ask everyone to observe for the following criteria. Are there any other mobile stations who are observing for severe weather? KF4YRE mobile. Okay. KF4YRE. Can I get your location, please?
That's KF4YRE. I'm nowhere yet. I'm just pulling out of the parking lot at work here at UPS. Anywhere you want me to go?
I was just, yeah, you can go anywhere you like. Because I don't want to put you in a bad, dangerous position. Just go where you were going, and if you are going to be